Having trouble with message not sent popping up every time you try to text? Don't worry, this happens a lot and is usually simple to fix. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to solve it on any Xiaomi or Redmi phone. Let's jump in. Solution 1. Check SMS sender number. Open your phone dialer. Dial *#*4636 #*#*. Select phone information 1 or 2 depending on the SIM you're using. This will show you your SIM details. Now toggle off mobile radio power for 10 seconds and turn it back on. This will refresh the setting. Now scroll down and look for SMSC. Just tap refresh next to it. If it's blank or incorrect, contact your SIM provider for the correct number. After this, swipe down to open your phone's control center. Toggle on airplane mode for 10 seconds. After that, toggle it off. Now restart your phone. A simple reboot can sometimes clear out temporal glitches. Once that's done, try checking your issue. If the issue persists, let's move on to the next solutions. Solution 2. Clear messaging app cache and data. On many cases, clearing cached data can resolve this issue. To do this, go to Settings, scroll down, tap on Apps. Now on Manage Apps, look for Messages or search for it. Then tap on it, open Storage, then click on Clear Cache and Clear Data. This will not delete your existing messages, but might fix any issues with the app. Solution 3. Reset app permissions. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. On the App Management page, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Other Settings. Now select Reset App Preferences and confirm your choice. This will reset app permissions, but don't worry, you won't lose any data. After this, messaging and calling apps will regain necessary access. Hopefully your problem will get fixed. That's all you need to do. This is how you fix the message not sent issue on your Xiaomi phone. If it still doesn't work, the problem could be with your SIM card. Make sure to contact your service provider to check if SMS is active. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.